Hi guys, Shira is here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today video I'm doing makeup tutorial inspired by Kendall Jenner look, and I'm taking the look from Vanity Fair. I'm just taking inspiration from this. I really like this look. First of all, I'm using with Smashbox primer oil. I'm just starting to rub it on my face to let it absorb quickly by my skin. Then I'm keeping on to the foundations. I'm mixing two kind of foundations today. One of them is Estee Lauder Double Wall. The number is 3 and 1. The other one is NARS. The name is Coco Mocha. I'm just starting to mix them together and then I'm blend it on my face. I'm using in Bobbi Brown Instant Full Coverage Concealer. The name is called Sand. I'm using it under my eyes, on my chin, between my brows, and besides my nose. I'm using in Bobbi Brown foundation stick. The name is called Almond. First of all, I'm going all over the forehead. I'm going in my cheeks, really higher and not lower. And then I'm using it in my jawline, a little bit on my nose to make a little contour. And then I'm using it in my upper lip to make it bigger. Then I'm starting to use with contour brush. You can use it like in any brush, but it's really important the brush is not gonna be fluffy. Then it's really harder to do a contour because you're just starting to struggling with this. So a little tip for me to do the best contour is to go against the lines, okay? Against the line and go upper as you can. Then it really lifts your face and make it look slimmer and sharper. My little tip for bigger lips: do a contour upper your lip and under your lip. Then your lips is gonna look bigger. So to be honest, I'm not using in baking powder in my everyday or even when I'm going out. Just when I want to do some glamorous makeup. It's mostly when I'm doing like YouTube tutorials, but because I don't have a lot of opportunities to do a glamorous makeup. But if you want to do like very deep contour, I mean, this one is the best way to complete with this. Like you have to do a part with the baking powder, and for me this one is the best. You can find it in like in Ulta, I think, or maybe you can order it in some website or something, and it's really affordable in addition. I'm using in La Palette eyeshadows of L'Oreal, and I'm using in number 1 to make a base. Then I'm using a number 5 and I'm just going back and forth in my natural crease. And then I'm using a number 6 and I'm using it in the corner of my eye to make a smoky eye look. And the final one for today, it's number 9, and I'm using it in the end of my eye with my finger. I'm using in Better Than Sex eyeliner of Too Faced, which I really love it, and I'm just doing very simple eyeliner because right now we have a very glamorous eye look and I just don't want it to look excessive. So that's why I'm doing a simple eyeliner. I'm mixing number 5 and number 6 and I'm just mixing them together and then I'm using them under my eyes. Using a Let It Glow shimmer eyeshadow of Papi Prawn. I'm just using it in the hand of my hand, the corner of my paw, and just to make it look shiny. I'm using a contour of Smashbox palette and I'm going to repeat on my nose contour just to make it look slimmer. I'm using a contour palette over here again, and I'm just using it in my cheeks, around the forehead, and my jawline. I'm using a Crack It Up Gold of Smashbox palette, and I'm just adding some bronzer to my cheeks. I'm using an Afternoon Glow of Papi Prawn, which I really like because it's giving me this natural glow. So when I'm doing makeup, I'm all the time using a lip pencil because I like to a little bit overline my lips, then it's make it look bigger, and I just like it. It's just a little tip if you want your lips look bigger. So guys, that was a video about Kendall Jenner look from Vanity Fair, which I really liked. Just before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Bye, see you next time.